Hi guys, welcome back to my universe. My name is Daniela, I'm a fiber artist, and in today's tutorial I will be teaching you how to crochet this super cute mini Winnie Pooh. It is not sew and it is super fast. You can use it as a desk friend or even add a keychain to its body. Both options are great. With that being said, let's go to the tutorial. For this tutorial we will be using yellow and red yarn. In this case I'm using super bulky yarn. We will also use a 4mm hook, black thread for final details. In this case I'm using light yarn, 10mm safety eyes, scissors, sewing needle, and I highly recommend you to have stitch markers if you are just beginning, and stopping. We will start with our yellow yarn and we will make 6 single crochet into a magic ring. For round 2 we will make 6 increases. I recommend you to add a stitch marker in the first stitch so that you know when your round is done. At the end you should end up with 12 stitches. We will start round 3 by doing 4 single crochet. Now we will make a bubble stitch. In this case we will make 4 unfinished double crochets. This means that at the end of your bubble stitch you should have 5 loops over your hook. And then you can finish your bubble stitch like this. Then we will make 3 single crochet, and now we will make another bubble stitch. To finish with this round, we will make 3 single crochet. We will start round 4 by doing an increase. Remember to add your stitch marker in the first stitch. And now we will make the butt of our bear with another bubble stitch. Like this. You can now check that it is between both feet. If this is not your case, you can move it to the next stitches. We will continue by doing 1 increase and 1 single crochet until the end of the round. In the last single crochet we will color change to red. You should end up this round with 18 stitches. For round 5 we will single crochet around. start this round by doing 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 2 times. In the last decrease we will color change to yellow. Now we will make a bubble stitch. Before we finish the bubble stitch, we will color change to red again. Then we will make 1 decrease, 1 single crochet and 2 decreases, and we will color change in the second decrease. Now we will make a bubble stitch. Color change to red before we finish the bubble stitch. And to finish with this round, we will make a single crochet and a decrease. In this last decrease, we will color change to yellow. You should end up this round with 12 stitches. Before we continue, check the alignment of your arms with the alignment of your feet. If, due to tension or your hook or the yarn, the arms don't align with the legs, I recommend you to move them 1 or 2 stitches depending on what you need. You can now cut the red yarn. For round 7, we will be working in the front loop only. We will make 1 single crochet and 1 increase until the end of the round. You should end up with 18 stitches. For the next 2 rounds, we will single crochet around. We will start round 10 by doing 7 single crochet, then we will make a bubble stitch, then 6 single crochet, a bubble stitch, and 3 single crochet. Before we continue, check the alignment of your ears. They should be aligned with the arms. For round 11, we will make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease until the end of the round. You should end up with 12 stitches. Before we continue, we will add our safety eyes between rounds 8 and 9. You should end up with 2 visible stitches between both eyes. And now we will also stuff the body. For the last round, we will make 6 decreases. You can now cut the yarn, fasten off, and now we will close our project. For this we will use our sewing needle, and we will go through the front loop only of each stitch. Then we will pull, and to finish we will hide the remaining yarn. And now we will embroider the final details. So we will insert our needle through the back of the head and take it out just over the eye and go diagonal like this and go to the other side of the face. And here we have our first eyebrow. We will repeat the same process on the other side and take our needle out in the middle. And to finish, we will make our nose. I like to take out the needle through the same place that I inserted it. And to secure everything, we will make a knot in the back. Cut the excess and hide the rest. And here is our finished Winnie Pooh. And there you go, I hope you liked the tutorial. This time the written pattern is only available for my patrons, so if you would like to support my content, don't forget to follow me there. And also don't forget to comment, like and subscribe in here. That will help me a lot to bring you more content like this one. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!